Hello out there. We are camping here at Cheraw State Park and decided to do some laundry. Yay! We purchased this handy dandy portable washer spinner machine made by Costway. On the washing side, it holds 11 pounds, and on the spin side, it holds 6. It has a 15-minute wash cycle and a 5-minute spin cycle. This washer is so compact, it can easily be stored in our RV shower while traveling. It holds 12 gallons of water, and as you can see, I have lots of clothes in there. I have 2 pairs of jeans, 2 pairs of PJs, 6 pairs of socks, 2 bras, and 4 t-shirts. And it's still not that full. We are bucket filling it. However, it comes with a hose connection that you can hook up to the sink or other means of water supply. We're about to start and put this baby to the test. I am putting it on normal for 15 minutes, and here it goes. It has great agitation for such a small machine. We are going to pause, and we will be back for the drying process. See you in a few. Welcome back. 15 minutes are up and clothes are done washing. Now it's draining. I'm going to take everything and put it in the spinner. Because the spinner is half size, I am doing half load at a time. Look at that water come out. Okay, so now it's done and I'm taking it out of the spinner. The clothes are almost dry. We couldn't wring any water out even if we tried. We are utilizing our clothesline and it should take about an hour in the sun to dry. This machine is the greatest find for camping. I am so happy to have found this washer spinner. It saved us from driving to the laundromat. I hope this info was helpful and thank you all for watching.